be showing you guys how you guys can auto sync video on TikTok. Auto sync basically like automatically edits your video according to the sound which you choose, alright? So you can choose music in TikTok when you're making a video, and if you guys have auto sync on, then basically the video is gonna be edited itself by TikTok, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Open TikTok and click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to upload a video, and then go on versus upload. And on upload you want to choose videos which you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this video and this video, and I'm gonna choose another one over here and this 27-second one. So I want all these three videos. I can click on next over here. If I'm on next, make sure you're on sound sync. If you want to edit it yourself, you can go on default to choose which clip you want in the front, which clip you want in the back. But if you want to go on sound sync, you can just choose the music over here, whichever music you want. And if you want to adjust the clip, you can click on adjust clip to adjust your clip. But other thing, you can just click on done, but you can just choose the music and your video is going to be automatically edited by TikTok yourself, just like this over here. Now just click on next at the top right. Once you click on next again, click on post and your video will be posted with auto sync on, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can auto sync a video on TikTok.